Well, it's mostly who are suffering are the employees, because once they left the home, they're neither able to go back, neither enter. Okay, and this situation has been happening not from 1 or 2 years; it's been happening from the past 10 years, and this is a similar situation, wherein it's not about the government. You can't tell, okay, the storm drain waters which have been taken over, but when they were given the approval to take over that land, what exactly happened? Now the situation is, there is no proper encroachment. It's only the security. Yesterday we had a person drowning here. Right. It's only the security person who was here to help. And few of our police personnel who are struggling day in and day out here. Apart from that, we don't see anyone else. And this has been happening.
And no authorized people.
No one. It's our company people who are suffering, and we are looking after our employees, our managers, everyone. We are here at 8 o'clock for a 10 o'clock shift to just take care of how the people are reaching here.
Right now, since we live here, it is fine for us, because we have to come from this bridge and done. But majority of my colleagues who are working here, it's affecting them a lot. For them, they have to either do work from home or just take leaves off. And that's cancelling their paycheck and everything as well. So right now, for them, they cannot even exit their own areas, much less come here.
For 2 days, they were in office because of this blockage. Their vehicles also stopped working.
Your colleagues?
Yes. In the basement, their vehicles were there, and because water went inside, so they could not go back home also. So they were stuck here.
Main problem is they have blocked the Raj Kalwa, sir. That's the main problem. See, this company now, 2 buildings have come up. Ecospace only. 2 buildings have come up. Take a map of the village of Bengaluru and see. That is the root cause. Where will the water will go? When you block the Raj Kalwas, where will the water go? Tell me. That is the main root cause.